Morning students. Today we shall discuss about the structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria, it's one of the most important cell organelle present both in plants and animal cell. What is the definition of mitochondria? Mitochondria are double membrane bound cell organelles of eukaryotic cells which are scattered in the cytoplasm and participate in energy production in the cell. What is the shape of mitochondria? It's the mitochondria. What is its shape? Mitochondria may be spherical, oval, rod-like or thread-like. Now we shall discuss about the structure of this cell organelle, that is mitochondria. Mitochondria is bounded by two unit membranes. One is outer membrane, another is inner membrane. It's the inner membrane, it's the outer membrane. Each is 60 angstrom thick. Each membrane is 60 angstrom thick. The space between these two membranes is called outer chamber. It's the outer chamber. It's present in between the outer membrane and this inner membrane. And this outer chamber is filled with a watery fluid. Here one watery fluid is present within this membrane. Okay, students? The inner chamber, it's the inner chamber. Bounded by inner membrane, it's the inner membrane, is filled with a dense fluid. Within this inner membrane, dense fluid is there. That is called matrix. Here matrix. Throughout this chamber, one dense fluid which is called matrix. This matrix contains a number of respiratory enzymes, proteins, lipids, ribosomes and circular DNA. It's the circular DNA. These are the ribosomes. And many respiratory enzymes are also present here. Lipids, proteins are also present in this matrix. The inner membrane, it's the inner membrane. Inner membrane forms a number of folds. These are the folds. Many folds are there in the inner membrane that give rise to finger-like projection. It looks like a finger. Give rise to finger-like projection into inner chamber. These are called cristae. It's the cristae. This finger-like projection in the inner membrane of the mitochondria is called cristae. The inner surface, it's the inner membrane. The inner surface of the inner membrane is covered with many small tennis racket-shaped particles which are called oxysome. It's the oxysome. It's the cristae and these are the oxysome. Clear? These are the small racket-shaped particles or structure called oxysome. These oxysome, follow this picture. The enlarged structure of this oxysome contains or consists of three parts. One is base, which is rectangular in shape, 35 to 40 angstrom. Then one stalk, which is 50 angstrom, and another round shaped structure that is called F1 particles. The enlarged structure of these oxysome. Okay, these round shaped structure is called F1 particles. That means it's the F0 base and it's the F1 particle. This base is embedded within this inner membrane, and within these F1 particles, respiration, especially aerobic respiration, takes place. That means the second part of the aerobic respiration, that is called Krebs cycle, takes place within this F1 particle, and release energy. Now we shall discuss about function of this cell organelle, that is mitochondria. The most important function of mitochondria contains all enzymes necessary for production for oxidation of food. Mitochondria contains all enzymes necessary for oxidation of food. By this process, energy is released and stored in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Energy which is released due to the oxidation of food, which take place in these F1 particle, is released and stored in the form of ATP. For that reasons, mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. It is very important question. Why is mitochondria called powerhouse of the cell? The next function, mitochondria can synthesize amino acid to make their own protein. Another important function of mitochondria, it helps in the metabolism of fat. Today, up to this. Okay, students. Thank you.